I'm Nishith. I'm the founder and CEO at Locus.sh. Locus.sh is a transport orchestration platform. They will begin by monitoring the temperature at each point, but also forecasting for failures of devices. Often, what we have seen is once the package is in transit, doing a man in the middle intercept is both complicated and often not feasible. Hence, it's critical that before, at the point of dispatch, you have a healthy scorecard of what equipment you are using, what transport vehicle you are using, and what has been the service history, what has been the failure rates in past. And today, using better systems which use multivariable predictions, using AI in those areas, you can actually get a pretty accurate scorecard of the vehicle and the equipment in use before dispatch, and that would eliminate a large part of the problems. Then of course, in case there is a disturbance in the field, then both the ability to detect that disturbance quickly as well as the ability to dispatch an alternate vehicle becomes critical. Now, this is what is referred to as the tandem deliveries in the market, where you have white glove appointment deliveries, where you need to either have a technician or often sometimes even to explain the usage of the thing, or it might need heavy electrical plumbing, right? In which case you need a third party technician also on the site at the same point. What you want to do to elevate the customer experience is ensure all of them are arriving together. Customer doesn't have to attend three separate calls, or the equipment is at the customer house for several days without getting installed, right? The same issue then you need to handle seamlessly even while managing returns. That if a customer has requested for a return, is there a requirement for a technician to go disassemble? Is there a heavy delivery? Is two-man required? Once you have gathered these requirements and have calculated that this must be required for this job, then comes the job of your planning and dispatch software, which should factor in the roster of the people available, their current task list, their current allocation, and make sure it's allocated in a way where both it's convenient for the customer for them to reach at the same time, but equally the total landed cost for the medical company is not excessively high, and any latent time is being optimized.